This is the Mefold Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush. So it's a silicone face or body scrub brush with 5 different modes to deeply clean your skin. So the base of it obviously is silicone. You can see there's a power button up front where you can choose level 1 through 5, depending on your skin sensitivity as to how intensive a clean that you want. So this cleaning device will firm your skin, enhance blood flow, and give you an even better glow. So charging is at the back there. Basically comes with a charging cord. You'll plug that in, and it will go up to about 3 hours or 200 times on a single charge. The device itself should fit into the palm of your hand, so it's super easy to take to the gym, keep in the shower, or in travel bags. This is going to be a super clean item, being able to see what kind of dirt and residue there is at the base. You can clean it off, get dead skin out, or makeup, whatever kind of residue there is on there, to really ensure that nothing is being reapplied back to your skin to give you that deepest clean. The device itself is IPX7, so you don't have to worry with any leakage of water getting into it. Really love this one. Check it out.